In Rukiga District, the initiative was launched to restore 250 acres for the Muhanga Kandogo Bulime wetland system in Bushinda Sub-County and Muhanga Town Council. Subsequently, a community engagement took place at Cherero Health Center too, during which authorities clarified the reasons behind implementing this initiative to the residents.
In Kigezi, the previous governments had made mistakes because these were ecological areas. And as you know, we need wetlands if we are to survive. But the government's mission is to provide alternative livelihoods, because the government is aware that these people have been benefiting. It has benefited them, it has made them grow, and as you stated it, they have grown using these wetlands. And we are not chasing them, but we are taking them to use the wetlands wisely.
Bruce Amanya, the Monitoring and Evaluation Officer for the Wetland Restoration Project, disclosed that the initiative supports farmers' projects to vacate wetlands to enable the resilient use of wetland resources.
The government is not taking land. The government is only telling the community to leave the wetlands because they have some other different roles to play, especially like flood control and so on. Because whenever the water comes from the hill, it just sweeps through. Then there are diseases. There have been a lot of landslide in Kigezi here. It is just because the soil is becoming volatile and it is no longer absorbing all those shocks.
Locals and leaders in the area expressed mixed reactions to the move, with some hoping to experience better climatic conditions from the efforts, while others said that its implementation might affect farmers who have been using wetlands for a long time.
They have been using that land. That's where they have been getting like food and other things, because there are some that have put that land in and got loan. There are some that got loan from that area. You put that as a security, then they give you loan. So I am wondering, when are they those that are chased to go with that loan? Is the government responsible for that program because somebody is chased and the land is there? So it has taken by government. So is it the government pay that loan? Is it that person that pay loan? So I'm challenged there.
Ninga albogo mwanyo tunjire henjoki ninjira ngo ahompaho ntubasa kwatwatandika process yo kugira ki yokwesa kurungi emyanya ijonjije.
President Museveni stressed the critical importance of protecting environmental assets during this year's Independence Day celebrations, urging the safeguarding of wetlands, forests, rivers, lakes and water towers. He specifically advised farmers to vacate certain areas unconditionally to address wetland-related issues. Reports reveal a concerning 30% decline in Uganda's national wetland area between 1994 and 2008.